it's Lourdes Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Elaine Parks from The Love Witch, and that's where I get into it. I'll be priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. To hydrate my lips, I'll be using the Lana Lip Treatment in Lemonade. Carving out my eyebrows with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in Natural. For the eyeshadow base, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in Flat White. For the eyeshadow palette, I'll be using the Fade Into Hue palette by ColourPop, and I'll be using the shade Take It Easy on my eyelid, crease, and lower lash line, and blend everything out. I mix Take It Easy and Iconic and blend it along the outer V and my crease, as well as smudging it into my lower lash line. From the ColourPop Gone Matte palette, I'll be using the shade Roll Around along my lower lash line to make my eyes look a little bigger. I use the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in Natural and Flat White to make it a light nude color along my waterline. To create my winged eyeliner, I'll be using the Benefit The Real Extreme Precision Liner in black. To prep for mascara, I use the Rare Beauty Universal Mascara in black. To give it a little more sheen and glitter and shine, I use the ColourPop Fade Into Hue palette in the shade Kaleidoscope and Hot Topic. For false lashes, I'll be using the Ardell False Lashes in Wispies. Priming my face with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. For foundation, I use the e.l.f. Camel CC Cream Foundation in Light 240W. Covering my imperfections and touching up on my makeup with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in Natural. Contouring my face with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in Espresso. I mix Rare Beauty's liquid highlighter in Enlighten and liquid blush in Believe and mix it all together to make a glowy blushy look. Setting my liquid blush and highlighter with the ColourPop blush in My Type. I set parts of my face with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Camel Powder Foundation in Light 240W. Lining my lips with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF. For the first lipstick, I'll be using the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in At Twilight. At the center of my lips, I use the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Cookie. For the outfit details, it will be in my link description box below, on my Instagram captions, and there will be similar items as far as outfits, jewelry, and props on my Amazon storefront. The dress is by Forever 21. The sheer mesh black robe is going to be from Pretty Little Thing. As for the flats, I cannot remember where I got it from, but I know the brand is called Top Moda. I found this medieval dagger from Amazon. The brand name will be on screen. The necklace is going to be from Luna Moon Gothic on Etsy. And that's it for this Halloween look. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!